You're paying full price for high-speed internet. But right now, your router is holding back half of it. No, you don't need to buy a new $200 router. And no, calling your internet provider won't fix it. The problem isn't your plan. It's a single hidden setting inside your router that's clogging your whole connection. In less than 5 minutes, we're fixing it. And instantly doubling your real-world speeds. Section 1. The invisible traffic jam. Think of your Wi-Fi like a multi-lane highway. By default, your router puts all your devices on the exact same lane. Your phone, your smart TV, your neighbor's router, even your microwave. All fighting for the same room. This is the 2.4 gigahertz band. It travels far, but it gets crowded fast. When 10 devices talk at once, packets collide. Your connection drops. Videos drop to 480p. And your speed test drops by 50% or more. Most people think their internet is just bad. In reality, your router is just stuck in traffic. Section 2. The 5-minute fix. Here's how we clear that traffic in under 60 seconds. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Type in 192.168.1.1. If that doesn't load, try 192.168.0.1. Log in using the admin details on the sticker at the bottom of your router. Now, look for your wireless settings. You'll see two options, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Here's the trick. Turn off the feature called Smart Connect or band steering. Why? Because Smart Connect lets your router decide which band you use, and it almost always picks wrong. Section 3. Splitting the signal. By turning off Smart Connect, you instantly split your Wi-Fi into two separate networks. Name the first one Home Wi-Fi. Name the second one Home Wi-Fi 5G. Now, move every single low data device to the regular network. Your smart lights, your robot vacuum, your smart fridge. Then, connect your phone, laptop, and gaming console only to the 5G network. 5 gigahertz is wider, it's faster, and now, it's completely empty. No interference, no slowdowns, just pure speed. Section 4. The channel width secret. But here's where most people mess up. If you stop there, you're only getting half the upgrade. Go back into your 5 gigahertz settings. Find the setting labeled channel width. By default, it's set to 20 or 40 megahertz. Change it to 80 megahertz or 160 megahertz if your router supports it. This doubles the actual pipe size carrying data to your devices. Hit save, restart your router, run a speed test now, and watch the difference. You just doubled your Wi-Fi performance without spending a single dollar. If your speed test just jumped up, hit that like button so more people can fix their Wi-Fi for free. Drop a comment below with your before and after speeds. I want to see who got the biggest jump. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.